Best-selling author Dave Eggers visited 916 Inc. recently, and he sent me a note afterwards that I will treasure always. And in it, he said that 916 Inc. is indispensable to the survival of the human mind. And I couldn't get over that, how immense the statement was, how right he was. This is the work that 916 Inc. is doing, truly, making sure that the youth of Sacramento keep thinking, writing, reading, and creating as humanly as possible. In a world that's increasingly fragmented, digitized, and automated, 916 Inc. is here to inspire the kind of thinking and feeling that can only be done by humanity, with all of its imperfection and beauty. From our read-on, tutoring, and Find Your Voice programs in local schools to arts-based summer camps and writers' clubs at our Creative Writing Center, 916 Inc. is a homegrown movement devoted to our region, to our children, and to the future of their minds and hearts.
Teaching a child to read is my very favorite thing in the world. Doing it on the scale with which we've been able to here at 916 Inc. and in the schools with kids most in need has been one of the greatest accomplishments of my life. The English language arts scores for students enrolled in our Read On program have improved at a rate 4 times higher than the state average. This is huge, especially given that in Sacramento, only 41% of third graders are reading at grade level. Kids in our program are defying those numbers. What we are doing, our tools and techniques, our staff, it's all working.
Right now, kids need storytelling more than ever. Our Find Your Voice students are thriving. There's nothing better than seeing a student's face light up when they create something to share for the first time. One of our students just last week told me she loves the writing prompt about sharing what's most important to her. The imagination, the heart, the things that these kids have and get to express through writing, it's a gift.
I've dedicated a decade of my life to this organization. Starting out in the classroom, I just love seeing the kids become even more and more themselves in the program. More confident, more expressive, more successful in school. Now I've had the joy of seeing us grow our footprint, serving thousands of students throughout the region and truly making a difference.
Here, in the quiet space of our minds, we wrote a chapter of our lives.
Hidden in the fiction, we shared a piece of our hearts.
Like ink from a fountain pen, our thoughts stained the pages we created together.
Here in our small community, we created lives and gave them homes.
We expanded the boxes and let our ideas have free roam.
Here for just 2 hours a week.
We learned together and healed together.
We have been here, together.
Together.
We've always been here, together.